Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use internet. For that, first of all, we need to have the internet connection with the Smartboard. As you see in my previous video, that we have done the setup of the internet. Now I'll show you how to use the internet from the menu that is available on the top. You go to various import options. From there you can go to internet. So we'll be using internet. It will open up a browser. displaysolutions.samsung.com is already available. If you go to this and you can type over here, you can see when I go for typing, it shows me the history of all the web pages that has been already used. So I'll go to one of the pages, that is BVM Engineering.ac.in. Now you can see I can scroll this page. Okay, I can scroll this page as it is. If I go to this, I click over here, it shows me different pages. Okay, you can see this is how I'm able to surf through the internet. And now if I want to highlight something or I want to use something, I'll show you how to do that. Let's suppose I want to open this up. So as I open this up, this new page opens up. Right now I cannot do anything over here. You can see I'm using the pen. Nothing is been done. So now if you want to write on top of it, what we'll do is we'll have to use a note layer. Let's select the note layer. You heard the voice? That voice comes when you select the note layer. And now I can write something onto this. I can annotate and I can write. You can see I can write on top of the web browser that I had opened up, the page that I had opened up. Now if I want to save this thing, then what I will have to do?